Hi everyone, in this video, we'll talk about Credit Karma tax tutorial for beginners. So first, what is Credit Karma Tax? It's a free online tax filing service for federal and state returns, offering no fees for filing, support for most major tax forms, easy-to-use interface, and integrated with Cash App. Now first on getting started, you have to create an account. Go to Cash App Taxes or access through your Cash App account. Sign in or create a new Cash App account. Now set up your profile with your name, SSN, and filing status. Next, gather your documents. Have this ready before you start. W-2s from employers, 1099s for freelance, interest, investment income, 1098 forms for student loan interest and mortgage, identification documents, your previous year's AGI or PIN, info on dependents, deductions, and credits. Now start your return. First, for federal return, click Start New Return. Credit Karma Tax will walk you through a step-by-step questionnaire. Input your personal info and income details. Then, input your W-2 by uploading a PDF or entering it manually. On deduction and credits, you'll be prompted to add things like student loan interest, education credits, charitable donations, and child tax credits. The platform suggests standard versus itemized deduction automatically. Now for state tax return. Once the federal return is done, Cash App Taxes will prompt you to file your state return. Your federal data autofills most of the state form. Now, review and file. Review your entries and run the final check for errors. You'll see your refund estimate or tax due. File electronically with a few clicks. If eligible, you can choose direct deposit for your refund. Now, after filing, you'll receive email updates when your return is accepted by the IRS. You can track your refund through the IRS website or state's refund tracker. Now, here are some pro tips for you. First, use a desktop or laptop for the best experience. Mobile works, but it is tighter. Next, double-check names, SSNs, and bank info to avoid delays. And lastly, Credit Karma Tax supports most forms, but not all complex tax situations, like multiple K1s and foreign income. And that's basically it.